Hi guys, this is Jaewon Lee, and I created a traditional Korean board game called Gomoku with Python. So when I run the main file named Let's Play Gomoku, it launches a window with a 15 by 15 board and a quick menu on the right. There we go. Before I show you how it works, let me explain what Gomoku is very briefly. So basically, it's basically really like tic tac toe, except you need to connect five dots in any direction. The first player starts by placing a black stone on the board, and the game continues until the five stones of same color line up, or if there's no more place on the board. Let's go over the game I created now. As I mentioned, the first player clicks anywhere on the board and the black stone is placed. When I continue to put more stones on the board, as you can see, I have implemented a tracking functionality where the last stone is identified with a red number, and while the other stones are numbered with white or black depending on the color's number. The tracker can be turned off by clicking tracker off button on the menu, and the tracker can be turned back on by clicking it back on. So basically, when the tracker is off, I've identified the last stone with a with an orange triangle because there are other global functionalities such as undo all, and redo on the game, so that it was required for me to uh, provide the user with an identification of the last input that they put in. So basically, undo resets the board by one stone, like that, and undo all gets rid of everything. Redo works like a counter to the undo function, where any undone activities can be redone with this button. We just undid everything, so if doing redo, it comes back by one turn at a time. Let me show you when the game is over now. So as you can see, there are five stones. So when the game is over, there's a winner message that blinks right above the menu, and the user can either start a new game or quit the program using the menu bar on the right. One of the biggest challenges with this project was actually drawing the board. I initially drew the entire board so that different dimensions such as 13 by 13, 17 by 17, or 19 by 19 can be used with little to none modification of the code. But storing the coordinates of the stones and using the stored data to execute some of these functions slowed down the process and gave visible time delays. As a result, I looked up on implementing an image as a board, and it did resolve the processing time issue. As you can see, it was pretty smooth when I was playing it. But as a result, because I had to rescale these images, and the resolution and text on the game window were influenced a bit. But yeah, that is it for my project. Thank you for listening, and have an awesome holiday, guys.